evening, Bios Baptist Church. Remember that extra class that I promised you? Well, here it is. So, here in the Bios Baptist Church Youth Adolescent Department, we sometimes have fun days. Of course, every time our class lands on a Saturday, we will have discussion group, and then we will go outside and have a little fun. Of course, because of lack of staff, we are not able to do this. You were the lucky winners of a fun day because your class landed on a Saturday. I'm sorry. Next time your class lands on a Saturday, I promise, more staff or not, we will have your fun day though. But we can still have discussion group. So, how discussion group works is we discuss the most recent lesson taught. Everybody has class throughout the week. Mondays is pre-youth beginners, which is ages 4, which is going to be ages 4 to 6. On Tuesdays, which is just ages 6 and under. On Tuesdays, we will have pre-youth. We will have youth adolescents, which is ages 13 to 19. On Wednesdays, we will have Bible study for everybody. On Thursdays, we will have pre-youth juniors, which is ages 8, which is ages 7 to 12. And on Fridays, you will have adults, which is ages 20 and older. And on Sundays, you'll have service for everybody. But on Fridays or Wednesdays, we will have a member of the animal department choose which class gets fun day. We're not doing it today because we're short-staffed. So we're going to have regular class today. So we don't know which class is going to do it. We can't determine. We don't have all the lottery things yet. So we just do it the easiest way. Get an animal to do it. It could be a cat or it could be a dog. I'll take a random pick. Or we could do it this way. We could have somebody who posts the most correct random proverbs in the chat of the Bible study video. If you post all 5 random proverbs in the Bible study video and get them correct, you get to pick the class that goes to fun day, or the class that you're in, meaning how old are you, will go to fun day. Amen? The reason why I'm not on camera right now is because I have started, but I'm just not going to show myself yet. You should come. This is our first fun day, so therefore I'm doing the orientation. This year is still young. It's still brand new. So Bibles Baptist Church have changed a lot. There's still a lot of new things. And I'm going to share this orientation for Fun Day with every department. And I want every department to watch it. Because this is not just oriented to just one department. This is for everybody. The lesson is for the youth department. But this notice is for the whole entire church. So what I want to tell you is, Fun Day is put together for the whole entire church so that we can become human beings instead of being stiff. Because even Jesus had fun. Even Jesus had fun. Did you know that? He wasn't as serious as we are trying to be. Jesus was pretty humorous too. Even in that parable with the debt that I was talking about Sunday, that was pretty humorous if you ask me. So even Jesus knew how to have some fun every once in a while. So I feel that we need to learn that. We need to focus on that. We need to go back to that human side while we're here at Bios Baptist Church. This way more people would go and bring people in, but at the same time we can't let it interfere with our education. So therefore, I set aside Saturday. Saturday is the day of the Sabbath, but God said that God never picked a day. I choose Saturday. Here, we are choosing Saturday as a day of rest. Personally, my day is Sunday. So you see, I'm not here on Sundays. But for Bios, according to Bios Baptist Church law, Saturday is the day of Sabbath. But personally, in my opinion, not biblical opinion, I take Sundays off as a day of Sabbath. So whatever day you take as a day you don't want to do anything, that's your Sabbath. But the whole church needs a day off. And that day is going to be Saturday. So on Saturdays, we have emergency services only. So you see how we're off right now, nothing's happening during the summer? We reduce to that every Saturday. Sundays, we don't come back full force. We reduce until about halfway because there's no administration, because then I'm off on my break. We can't have 2 off days. But Saturday, we're off altogether. So you get it? This program is designed to strengthen people. This program is designed to enrich people. Now I can come on the frame just a little bit to check the time. That's what I want to do. The orientation finished. So for the orientation part, have a good day and may God bless you.